Have you ever wondered why people in certain parts of the world live longer and healthier lives? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of blue zones, regions of the planet where individuals not only live exceptionally long lives, but do so with great vitality and health. In the far reaches of Okinawa, Japan, you'll find the highest concentration of centenarians in the world. Heart disease, cancer, dementia, rarely heard of. So what's their secret? Okinawans attribute their longevity to a concept known as ikigai, a term meaning reason for being, which provides them a sense of purpose each day. They also follow a plant-based diet, rich in soy foods, sweet potatoes, and a variety of colorful vegetables, all contributing to their robust health. Now imagine a place where men outlive women in terms of longevity. Sounds extraordinary, doesn't it? Welcome to Sardinia, Italy, home to the highest concentration of male centenarians. Here, a low-protein diet brimming with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is the norm. The Sardinians also emphasize on regular physical activity, often in the form of shepherding and walking long distances. Let's jet off to the sun-kissed Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica next. The oldest people in Costa Rica call this place home, thriving on a lifestyle that is active, outdoorsy, and deeply entrenched in a strong sense of community. The Nicoyan diet is a cornucopia of plant-based foods with an emphasis on beans, corn, squash, and tropical fruits. Crossing the Atlantic, we land on the island of Icaria, Greece. This place boasts one of the lowest rates of dementia worldwide. Icarians enjoy a Mediterranean diet packed with fruits, vegetables, and fish, coupled with a laid-back lifestyle that shuns the concept of rushing. Across the ocean, in Loma Linda, California, we meet a community of Seventh-day Adventists who have incredibly low rates of heart disease, cancer, and stroke. They follow a plant-based diet, abstain from alcohol and tobacco, and prioritize regular exercise and a day of rest each week. Dan Buettner, the man who coined the term blue zones, has identified 5 more such regions, including Ogliastra in Sardinia, Italy, Peloponnese in Greece, Mindanao in the Philippines, Limon in Costa Rica, and the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Each of these regions follows the same principles of natural movement, wise eating, and strong community ties. In conclusion, the secret to longevity in these blue zones seems to be a blend of diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and beans, a lifestyle that encourages natural movement and a strong sense of community. But perhaps most importantly, it's about a mindset that embraces life with a sense of purpose and joy. So while we may not all live in these blue zones, we can certainly learn from them and apply their principles to our own lives for a healthier, happier, and potentially longer life.